We'll guide you through how to make newspaper highlights effect in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To make a newspaper highlight effect in After Effects, start by opening your search bar, then type After Effects so you can find the program and open it. After the software loads, you will enter the main workspace, and from here you need to create a new composition by right-clicking the project bar. Click New Composition and set the composition settings based on what you need, such as size and duration. Once the composition is ready, right-click the project bar again and select Import. Choose File, then find the newspaper image you want to use and import it into the project. After it appears in the project panel, click and drag the newspaper image into the timeline so it becomes part of the composition. At the top of the screen, select the Shape tool and use it to create a rectangle on the area you want to highlight. Adjust the shape size so it fits the part of the newspaper you want to draw attention to. Then change the color of the shape to anything you like, for example yellow if you want a classic highlighter look. After the shape is in place, select the Anchor Point Mover tool and drag the anchor point to the left side of the rectangle so the animation grows from that side. Now press S on your keyboard to open the scale setting for the shape. Turn off the scale link so the scale values move independently. After that, turn on the scale keyframe to start the animation. Set the first keyframe so the horizontal scale is 0, which makes the highlight start from nothing. Move forward a few frames in the timeline, then add a second keyframe and set the scale to 100 so the highlight bar expands fully across the text. After that, change the blend mode to overlay, and then select all the keyframe and press F9 on your keyboard to ease the motion, which makes the animation feel smoother. By following each step in this order, you get a clean highlight effect that grows across the text like someone is using a marker on the newspaper image. This method works for any area you want to highlight, and you can repeat the same steps with more shapes if you need to point out multiple sections. You can also change the color, timing, or size to match your own style, so the result fits your project.